G'day everyone, Shane here from Fanmaster Australia. If you work in air conditioning, here's a question. How many projects have you quoted where the custom water cooling but traditional air conditioning simply didn't stack up commercially? Most HVAC businesses grow by competing harder in the same space. More brands, more quotes, tighter margins. But there is another way to grow. Not every cooling problem should be solved with refrigerant, and that's where evaporative cooling can become a valuable addition to your offering. Now, before anybody jumps to conclusions, this isn't about replacing refrigerated air conditioning. Refrigerated cooling is still absolutely the right solution for a lot of applications. But evaporative cooling shouldn't be seen as a competitor. It's another tool in the toolbox, because there are environments where traditional refrigerated systems can become difficult to justify. Think large warehouses, distribution centers, manufacturing facilities, workshops, or agricultural buildings. Spaces with constant door openings. In these environments, the challenge often isn't just temperature, it's large air volumes, constant air exchange, high operating costs, and excessive heat loads. Trying to cool some of these spaces with refrigerated air conditioning can sometimes feel like cooling a stadium through an open doorway. So what makes evaporative cooling different? Rather than using refrigerant and compressors to mechanically remove heat, evaporative cooling uses water evaporation and continuous airflow to lower temperatures and improve comfort. And for the right applications, that creates some major advantages. Think lower operating costs, fresh airflow instead of recirculated air, and importantly, it creates a practical middle ground between doing nothing and installing an expensive refrigerated system. That changes the conversation from "we can't afford cooling" to "we can justify improving conditions." And from a contractor's perspective, that's where the opportunity starts. Adding evaporative cooling doesn't yet create cooling projects. It opens conversations around ventilation, extraction, HVLS fans, air movement, and complete environmental control solutions. You're not replacing what you already do, you're expanding it. The HVAC businesses that win long-term won't necessarily be the ones selling more of the same products. They'll be the ones solving more customer problems. Refrigerated air conditioning still has an important place, but when large spaces, operating costs, airflow, and ventilation become part of the discussion, evaporative cooling deserves a seat at the table. If you'd like to learn more about industrial evaporative cooling, give us a call on 1300 900 345 or visit our website at www.fanmaster.com.au. And remember, at Fanmaster, we're more than fans. We're the experts in cooling, ventilation, extraction, and heating.